Hello guys, today we are going to explore how to create this logo design. I will explain every single thing step by step so you understand the process and you will easily able to follow with me. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Select this logo shape, move it aside. Now go to the shape creation tool and select the polygon tool. Click it on the artboard, radius 75 and side 6. Press OK. Rotate the shape 90°. Create a copy by Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste it. Change its color to something else. See, we have two copies here. Make sure this chain icon is selected and reduce the height around 75 pixels. If you are not seeing this on control panel, then you can also open it on transform panel here. Reduce the height around 75 pixels. Create one other copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl F to paste, and change its color to something else. Reduce its height around 33 pixels. Now select the ellipse tool and create one ellipse from center. We will use it for measurement purpose. We can make it guide by Ctrl 5. Press Ctrl semicolon. Change its color to something else. It's quite harsh on my eyes. Now we have to create our lines. Select the line segment tool and from the center, hold Alt and Shift, create a line. Assign any XYZ color. Bring the stroke in front and click on the line shape. Now select it and select the rotate tool and press enter and rotate it on 60° angle. Press copy, Ctrl T to repeat transformation. See, we have copies here. I also want this line to rotate around this shape. So rather than creating it, double click on the shape and with the help of direct selection tool, copy this line. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl F to paste it. Scale it and with the help of eyedropper, copy the line attributes. Now select the line and select rotate tool, find the center of the circle and rotate it 60° angle. Press copy, press Ctrl D to repeat transformation many times. Select one line and click on this icon to select similar object. Click on it. Now all of the lines are selected. Press Ctrl G to put them in group. Create a new layer and move lines to new layer. Hide it for now. Select second shape as well and put it on the new layer as well. Now select both of these hexagon shape and with the help of shape builder tool, remove it from center while holding Alt. If you press Ctrl Shift D, you can check it on transparency grid. See, we have hole on the center. Press Ctrl Shift D again to bring the artboard color. Now it's time to remove lines from our main shape. So turn on the line layer, turn off this polygon shape for now and select the lines. Increase the stroke width around 3 pixels. Go to the object, path, outline stroke. Now go to the pathfinder and click on unite. Now we have single shape, not a multiple lines. Click on the line and the main shape and inside pathfinder, click on minus front. See, we have removed the lines from our shape, but we still haven't formed the P shape. With the help of direct selection tool, hold Alt and click on this shape to select it. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl F to paste it and apply any other color for now. Double click to enter on the isolation mode and select both of it, bottom anchor points and move it here. Now select this shape, bring it front and select these two shapes as well. And with the help of shape builder tool, remove it, hold Alt and remove it from here. Remove this shape as well. Now our P shape is ready as well. Select this P shape and Control G to group it, Control X to cut. Now select remaining pieces, Control G to group. Now Control F to paste the P shape. Hide P shape for now and turn on the polygon shape which we hide earlier. Hold Alt on the layer panel to create its copy. Now increase its height around 108 pixel. Select everything and with the help of Shape Builder, remove it from center. See, if you press Ctrl Shift D, you are able to check it on the transparency grid. We have removed it. Turn on the P shape layer as well. It's time to apply a color. With the help of direct selection tool, click it while holding Alt and keep applying a color. I want to round its outer edges, so with the help of lasso tool, select the outer anchor points. Select direct selection tool and apply 1 pixel on the corner. I'm happy with it. Now double click on the P alphabet and select its outer anchor points as well and apply 1 pixel here as well. Now it's time to apply dark shades on both of the shapes. So turn on this layer, copy it while holding Alt. Increase its height 130 pixel and click on O alphabet, copy it, double click on this shape, Control F to paste it. Now go to the object, compound path, make. Now it is a single shape and select this shape as well. Click on intersect. So we have this remaining piece. Control 8 to make it compound path and apply a dark blue color or black color, whatever you prefer, and select the overlay blending mode and decrease opacity around 24 pixel. We will do the same thing on P alphabet as well. And with the help of eyedropper tool, click it here to copy the attribute. Now we have to create long shadow. Click on Control semicolon to hide guide. Apply a white and black gradient. White opacity 0% and black. Remove the color from stroke and add this gradient with the help of gradient tool. Decrease opacity around 30 pixel or less. 24 pixel. Copy this logo shape, logo design, title, place it here. So we have created our design. I hope I'm able to explain every single thing. If you have difficulties on any of the areas, you can ask me on comment box. If you like the tutorial, guys, do show your support by liking the video, sharing it, and most importantly, subscribing the channel so you won't miss any further updates on this channel. So goodbye for now.